Good afternoon, it's Mike Oakes. We're actually doing infield training today with Kichler and also North Florida Irrigation. We're all here teaming up. We got the whole team out here, everybody that's in landscape, just so everybody's on the same page. I do quality control for earthwork, so this is just going to help all of us do the same thing. Well-oiled machine, make sure everybody's on the same page again. I'm going to keep repeating that. Make sure everybody's on the same page, that way everything is absolutely the same. So it doesn't matter if I'm on the job, David, Tim, anybody, any of us on the job, we all know exactly what to do. Proper setting up of the lights. This is thanks to Kichler. They're coming out, just giving us a basic training, showing us proper lighting installations. We're also just trying to learn something new, so while we're in the field, we don't necessarily know everything, so having more than one head out here, like I said, we have North Florida and we also have Kichler, just having some knowledge coming from them that have been in the field for 20 plus years. We're all still kind of new to it, so we're just trying to make sure we all know the ins and outs of everything, the proper installation of everything, and just we're all on the same page again. We're all one team.